Hi guys, this is the Python series, part 32. What is file? A file is a named location on disk. It is used to store the related information, isn't it? Okay, why we need file? Only we can access the stored information after the program termination. Am I correct? Python, we have several functions for creating, reading and updating files. Okay. The file may be in the text format or binary format, and each line of a file is ended with a special character. The file operation can be done in the following order. The first one, open. The second one, read or write. The third one, close the file. How can we open a file? With the help of the inbuilt method open function. In Python, we have the inbuilt method open. Okay. With the help of this open function, we can open a file in read or write mode. And what is the role of the open function? Open function return a file object that accepts the file name and the mode, whether to read or write. Okay. What are the modes? Important modes. R mode, W mode, A mode or plus. Or for reading, W for writing, A for appending or plus for both reading or writing. Okay. If we don't pause, means the default mode is R. Okay. And how to close the file? With the help of the inbuilt method close. That is also present in our Python language. Okay. Once all the operations are done on the file, we must to close. Okay. It is a good practice to close the file once all the operations are done in order to avoid the corruption of the file. Okay. So now let's see this example. Here I have implemented the exception handling. Try, except and else block. Okay. So we know exception handling. In order to maintain the flow of the program execution, we have to implement the exception handling. In order to avoid the runtime errors, we can implement the exception handling with the help of the try except block. So inside the try block, we have to place the suspicious code, and except block is responsible to handle the errors which are raised inside the try block. And if there is no errors inside the try block, the else block will be executed. Okay, we already discussed these things. Here, I want to read the file, the existing one. What I will do? First, we have to open with the help of the inbuilt method open that is present inside the Python language. Okay. And what is the syntax? Open, and inside the round brackets we have two parameters. The first parameter is what? The file name. The second parameter is the mode. Here there is no mode. That means R is the default one, isn't it? Now only we have discussed. So inside the D drive, this is the text file. I want to read this file if it exists. That's why we have used this open inbuilt method. And this open inbuilt method returns the file object, isn't it? Okay. So that accepts the file name and the mode. So what mode? Read mode. Okay. Here there is no second parameter, so the default mode is R mode. Okay. If this file is present inside the D drive, this open method returns the file object. Okay. If this file is not present inside the D drive, means what will happen? The control jumps from the second line to the third line. Okay. So this except is responsible to handle the error which is raised inside the try block. Here I have the inbuilt exception class, file not found error. This is one of the inbuilt exception class. Okay. So this is the variable as keyword I have used here. Okay. And inside the ERR, the inbuilt message will be stored that will be printed on our console with the help of the print method. Okay. If this file is exist inside the D drive, means what will happen? There is no errors inside the try block. So the control jumps from the second line to the else block, fifth line. And this statement will be printed on our console, and with the help of this close method, we have to close this file object. Okay, this is our file object name, FPTR. Okay, after encounter this line, the file object will be closed. Okay, so what is the usage of this close method? It is used to avoid the interruption, the opened file object. Okay, we have to close. After, our operation of file will be done. Okay, let me execute this one. Error number 2, no such file or directory. So this file is not present inside this D drive. Okay, so here I change the file name to file. So this file exists inside the D drive. Now, what is the output? Execute the same again. Here file exists. Because this file is present inside the D drive. So there is no error. So the control comes the else part and this statement is printed. Okay. I hope you all understood about what is file and why we need file, and the open and close methods inside the Python language to open and close. What are the important modes available in the file operations, and what is the default mode of the open method. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.